All right, I'm not sure who stole from who, but don't these three famous songs sound a little too familiar? Exactly. That was While My Guitar Gently Weeps by the Beatles right there. In between was 24, 6, and 1, or whatever the number is, by Chicago. And at the beginning was Babe, I'm Gonna Leave You by Led Zeppelin. And I'm like, they all sound the same. So somebody must have ripped somebody off, but I don't really care. Let's learn all three of them in under 90 seconds. So hit like, hit subscribe, and let's do it. A minor is the first chord to a G major, D major, and use your thumb on the second fret of that low E string to create the walk down, and then F major, and two of them go to an E major right there. If you're doing Babe, I'm Gonna Leave You, it's finger picking, of course. So you're just picking the notes of an A minor and hitting that third fret on the high E string. And when you release it, you put this finger right here on the third fret of the low E string. Sort of pick around, keep the A minor right there, and now you go to a D major with that thumb, but you leave the open E string like that, and then low notes of an F major to the high note to an E major like that. Well, of course, what's it do when it starts rocking? It turns into that Chicago song. You just hit an open everything to an A minor, like that. Open everything to a G major. But I'm really just hitting the low parts of a G major, and then open everything to that D major. Really, I'm leaving the D major and hitting the thumb off and on like that, and then open the open low note of an F major. Put the thumb right there, if you can use your finger like that somehow on the first fret of that E string, E major. Well, that's that one. Well, then it blends perfectly into While My Guitar Gently Weeps. It's a little bit more chill strum pattern, A minor, G, F major. This one starts over on A minor, G, D major, and it skips and goes to the E major. So there you go. You learned all three songs in 90 seconds. I mean, there's a couple other chords throughout them, but you get the gist. Let me know what you think. Hit like, hit subscribe, and tell me who stole from who. All right, catch you later.